Cornbread is a very, very popular dish many families make around the holidays. But today we're going to take a step back and we're going to try something new. My family likes to make what we call corn pie, and it's a different spin on your traditional cornbread. It's very simple to make and it's still wonderful for the holidays. So for today's recipe, we're just going to need 2 boxes of your cornbread mix, 2 eggs, a can of cream corn, your sour cream, I think I have about 8 ounces here, melted butter and seasoning mix, and in this mix I have a little bit of cinnamon, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken bouillon cubes, salt, pepper, and just a dash of sugar. You're going to need your baking dish, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Dump in my seasoning mix. I'm just going to whisk that in, just so that it's well incorporated before you put any moisture in here. I'm going to put in my 2 eggs, dump in my sour cream, put in a whole can of my cream style corn. I'm gonna mix it all together before I add the butter. I'm gonna add my butter. It smells wonderful. It's so simple. And really around the holidays, there's nothing better than a great recipe that literally takes 1 bowl to make. You don't have to do all this extra stuff. Just dump and go. I'm gonna pour it into my baking dish, and then I'm just gonna spread it nice and evenly. And bake it at 375 covered for 35 to 40 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the cover, and I'm going to bake it for another 10 minutes just so it gets nice and golden brown. I'll remove it from the oven, let it cool, and then it'll be ready to serve.
Oh, hey there. Welcome back to Simple Anthony. We got here a corn pie that Luana has made, she stepped away from, and I'm about to dig into. So let's cut this thing. I want to be pretty generous with this piece. See. Oh, there we go. Ooh. So nice. Super soft. Let's get this thing out. I'm not as graceful as the one as I kind of just get in there. All right. Let's put this in. Ooh. That's looking great. And
What do we have going on here?
So a piece for you. We got a piece for you.
No, yours is coming. Here's your fork. Now I'm going to taste this. Nice and fluffy. Okay.
I'm just going to take one of your plate too.
Full go.
Oh, that's good.
Nice, fluffy. It's a really good flavor. A little crumbly, but still moist. That is one successful, really good corn pie.
And delicious.